get ready with me makeup tutorial. First, I'm using a serum for my face. After the serum, I'm moisturizing my face. Next, I'm using a primer for my face. After the primer, I'm setting my face with a setting spray. Then foundation. After the foundation, I'm contouring. Contour. Then I use blush. After the contour, I add blush and concealer. By the way, I use the lipstick as my blush. I use the lipstick as blush. Then concealer to highlight. Then I spray my face again with my setting spray. Then I blend. I'm blending the concealer first because it's the lightest shade. I'm blending the concealer first. Then I turn the blender, then I blend the contour and the blush. Then I'm using a face powder to set my face. Then I'm using a loose powder now to bake. Bake, 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 bake. Now I'm using a contour pressed powder to contour my nose. A dark powder to contour my nose, to snatch the nose. A little, just a little. Then I'm dusting up the powder from my face, but I'm leaving the one on the under eye, in case of any eyeshadow fallout when I'm doing my eyes. That is the reason why I'm leaving the one on the under eye. Then my brows. Brows, 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 brows. Let's do brows. Let's do brows. Next, I'm using a light concealer to define my brows. I use the same concealer as my eyeshadow base on my eyes. I use a darker shade of concealer to define the upper side of the brow. Concealer that is the same shade as my skin tone for the upper side and lighter one under. Then I'm using only two eyeshadows, a dark brown and a brown shade eyeshadow. Only two for the eyes. Just all over the eyelid. I first use the dark brown, then I'm using the light brown now. All over the eyelid, just two shades. That is all for the eyes, the same shade on the lower lash line, the same eyeshadow shade. That is all for the eyes. That is all I'm doing for the eyes. Then I'm using a liquid liner to line my eyes. Liquid liner to line the eyes. Then add a little mascara for the eyes. Then lash. I'm using this beautiful lash. Then dust off the powder from the face. Dust of the powder from the face. Next, I'm adding a little blush, not blush, to brighten up the face, to add more color to the face, to the shake, to add more color to the shake. I'm adding blush, more blush, then set the face, add a little mascara for the lower lash line, then add little highlighter, just a little highlighter for the shake to brighten the face up. To brighten the face. Little highlighter. Then lips, I'm using 2 colors of lip stain, 2 for the lips, 2 different shades for the lips. First, I'm using this dark red. Then I'm using this plum shade. 2 shades separated, dark. That is all. How did I do? Next, I'll decide to add a little gloss to the eyelid to make the eyes glossy eyes. So we're adding a little gloss to the eyelid to make the eyes glossy. That is all. How did I do? I said, you like? Ooh. Thank you for watching. Bye.